Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. I just wanted to show you this little Evinrude 2 horsepower outboard motor I picked up today. This is a 2-stroke outboard motor, single cylinder, and I think it's air cooled. So I don't think this has a water jacket or an impeller or any of the stuff related to liquid cooling that you'd find on a larger outboard motor. The thing belongs in a museum. It's pretty old. It's kind of neat. It lets you actually adjust the fuel air mixture, rich or lean, on slow speed, and it also lets you adjust it on the high speed. So it's kind of like a chainsaw or a weed eater where you can adjust the carburetor as you need to, but this gives you 2 big knobs and you can do it while you're running the machine. I bet you every environmentalist on the lake is going to hate you for running this, but it's really nice shape. Picked it up off a local buy and sell website tonight. It's got a stop, slow, start, and fast. The seller told me that it runs. I gave it a few pulls and didn't do too much, but I smelled the gas and it smelled pretty rotten. So we're gonna give this thing a little carburetor. There's the carburetor right there. A little carb clean and see how she runs. Put a new spark plug in it too. Guys love these things for their inner tubes. They like to float around on a lake and putt around with one of these attached to their inner tube and drink beer. So it should be a really easy sell once the weather warms up here. Hopefully make a few dollars off of it. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll fire this thing up in a barrel and you can see it run. Thanks for watching.